All right, first and second graders. So you've done a great job of drawing your little goslings, but now you're gonna want to add color to it, okay? And we're gonna do something we haven't done on an animal before. We're gonna add some shadow to make it look a little more three-dimensional, okay? And these shadows are only gonna go in a couple places, so make sure you're following directions here, okay? You're going to use a gray crayon. We're going to keep our little gosling white for this project, okay? So you're going to get a gray crayon out. If you don't have a gray, you can use a black, but you need to draw very, very lightly with that black if you're using a black. But try and find a gray crayon, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to start here on the neck. And we're going to add just a little bit of a shadow. Gray's not working very well. Here. I'm going to add a little bit of a shadow here just along the side of the neck. And then when I get down here, I'm going to stop. Okay, so I'm only going a little bit along the side there. And I'm coloring very, very nicely so that it doesn't look scratchy, okay? And that's going to make it look like there's a little bit of a shadow there. Okay, we are also going to put a shadow here on the bottom of our goose, okay? So all along the bottom here, it'll make his belly look a little more round, okay? So I'm very lightly coloring with my gray right along the bottom there. Okay, you see that? How it kind of looks like it has a little bit of a shadow there. Okay, and then you can put a little bit of a shadow here on the feathers underneath. Okay, all right. Then you can color your grass green all the way across, but then once you've colored all of it, so here, I'm going to color this part around my goose. You can color all of it. If you use a light green, that might be a little more helpful. If you don't have a light green, that's fine. You can do the same with dark. But I'm going to color right underneath my goose. Here. Okay. And I'm just going to go a little bit over to the side here too. You're going to color all of it. I'm just going to only do part of it here so you don't have to watch me, okay? So then I want you to then you can either take your gray or a black crayon or a dark green crayon if you haven't used it yet and color just underneath your goose to make this area just a little bit darker, like there's a shadow that the goose is making. Okay, so you can use black or gray or dark green for that. Okay, and you see how it kind of made that part look a little bit darker. Okay, if I used a dark green, this is kind of what it would look like. It's just a little bit darker there. Okay. All right. Then you can color the rest of it how you normally would. Okay, so I would bring all my green all the way over here. And then you can do a blue sky that goes all the way down to your horizon line there. And color your sun yellow. Your cloud can be white or gray. And then you can color your bill and your feet an orange color. All right, that is all you have to do. Make sure you do a very, very, very good job of coloring.